Classroom training is the traditional method for training. At Pro Trainings, we offer face-to-face class training as well as other options like blended training, virtual training, online training or hybrid training. Pro Trainings offer classroom training at your workplace or at regional training centres, as we have a network of over 1,500 instructors across the UK and more overseas. The disadvantage of class courses is that they're a set date and time, but they also have many advantages and some suit students better than others. Some courses have to be taught in the classroom in order for the qualification to be issued. A mix of online training and classroom training is called blended training, and this gives the benefits of a flexible online part of the training to meet your schedule and the classroom part to practice the skills and meet the other learning outcomes. Blended training is not allowed with all courses, but many have this option. The advantages of classroom training include you're with the instructor so the course can be adapted to your needs. You benefit from working on the course with other students. All our class courses give students a login area to see the videos that go with the course and other downloads and digital student manuals. We have nationwide coverage at your workplace or at a regional training centre. The course can be adapted to your workplace, and finally, flexible timings to meet your needs. All our qualification certificates have a validation feature, so it's easy to validate a certificate using the certificate number or scanning the QR code printed on the certificates. For more information on any format of training to suit your needs, please contact us by phoning 01206 805 359 or emailing support@protrainings.uk or use our online chat system.